Welcome. We have problem solving with simultaneous equation. So how do we solve problem solving? Okay, that involve simultaneous equation. It's very simple, and the best approach is to play with questions. Okay, we can look at question one. Find the numbers. The numbers is not one. Find the numbers which have a sum of what? 37. Okay? And a difference of what? 11. So what we do is to assign a letter for those numbers. So let the numbers be x and y, and that will be equal to the sum is what? 37. Call this one equation 1. And a difference of what? 11. The difference means subtractions. Okay? When solving this kind of questions, you must take note of the sign. Okay? Like sum, which is plus, like difference, okay, which is a subtraction. So how do we solve it? Very simple. The two equations, the coefficient is the same here, is the same here. Likewise also here. Okay, this is plus. But in this case, this is plus 1, this is minus 1. So what do? I want to cancel this y. So I'm going to say equation 1 plus 2. Because the moment you add minus and plus together, it's going to cancel out. Okay, so this one, x plus x, 2x. This one and this one cancel, then you have 37 plus 11. And that's 2x equal to what? 48. And x is what? 24. That's 48 plus 2. Then go to end of the equation. Let's see the second equation. And plug in the value there, 24 minus y equal to what? 11. Okay? And that will be, can you move this minus y to other side? And move this 11 to this side. That will be 24 minus 11 equals to what? Y. And that will give you 13 equals to what? Y. And if you want to confirm the statement, that the statement is you want to confirm what you've gotten. What you've gotten if it satisfies the statements. Okay? X plus y. We have this one as 24. We have this one as what? 13. Add them together. That's what? 37. Okay? Do also for the second equation. So that confirms the value we got in is correct. Then the next thing to do now is to form a sentence. Form a sentence for the value you've got in. Okay? And that will be the numbers. The numbers are, what's the first one? 24 and what? And 13. So that's how to do words problems, problem solving. You need to form a sentence for your answer. Question 2 is almost similar to, let the number be what? X and y. Okay. The sum is what? Is 58. And then the difference is what? Of those numbers is what? 22. Okay. So do the same thing also. This is your equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay. Add them together. So you have 2x equal to what? This is 0. This is 8. X is what? 40. Okay. Then substitute to any of the equation. That will be equal to, this is 40 minus y equal to 22. So 40 minus 22 equal to y. And that's what? Y is what? Y is 18. Okay? So, and if you want to confirm the statement, 40x is 40 plus y, which is what? 18. That confirms the statement. Okay? Then just make a statement. Numbers are 40, 18. So that finished that question.